Hi, my name is Matt and I'm from FlowHow. In this video, I want to show you how you can work with structured mesh in Moldex3D2024. This structured mesh was introduced in 2023. Um, you need sometimes a very structured and optimal mesh like a hex mesh in some areas of your part or in the entire part, and then you can build it now in Moldex 3D Studio. You need this kind of structure mesh maybe for compression molding, for gas assisted uh, injection molding, or some of the others. Also, optics is a great way to get the perfect mesh for optics simulation. But then I'll show you how I can work with it, where I combine an area that I'll hex mesh with an area that is made by BLM. So I'll import two parts. One is the one that I'll make as BLM, and then I've cut out an area here which I will make as a hex mesh. So what I do first is, I'll just call it a part, and I can also give this as a part. Then I need a gate. I'll hide the gate. I don't need that for anything. And then I mark the two and say mesh. I'll give it a seeding. I'll just give one, for example. Yeah, looks okay. Of course, you can make it finer, whatever you want. And then I generate here. I just generate the surface mesh like this, and everything fits. But you can't do this like this because you need them to be united. Otherwise, it looks at it as two separate things. And I also need a good mesh here. So I'll take this one. And in this case, I'll just go for structured mesh now into this module, which is a specific module. And here I want a hex mesh. First of all, I'll make a help line which indicates the length um, or the depth of this small part. And then I go back here, and then I want to change this top here for a structured mesh, create face mesh. And I need this grid based. I mark this one and say OK. And now I have this one. I can delete the others because I actually don't need them. I only need one. And then down here, with create solid mesh, I need to use this sweep, and there's one called extrude. Select the mesh, could be this one. Take it down here, and select line, could be this one. And then I have to decide how many layers do I want through the wall thickness. I want 11 layers in this case. And I got this. And now if I make the chisel, You can see inside it's a very structured mesh. Out of this chisel again. And it's a non-attribute. One thing that's a bit weird is that it says surface mesh, but it actually is solid mesh, and it has a green inside there, which actually indicates that it's a solid mesh. This one I don't need anymore, so I'll give it none, and it's polysurface 1, like this, and this. So this one, now I can double click on it and give it attribute as a part again. I don't really need that, but then I have both parts, but there's no connection between them. Yeah, on the outer, yeah, even though up here is not really perfect match, but there's a good way of doing that. First of all, I need the surfaces of, no, I just need to go into the fixed mesh, and then I can use this auto copy paste. So if I take this one, then select reference object, I need this one, yes, and target object, this one, yes, and now it fits. And if I look at this inside here, you can see it actually copied all the in the contact faces. It copied the mesh from the target to the no, from the reference to target. So now I have two separate here. I need solid mesh now. This one is a surface mesh and this one is solid. So I'll go out here and I'll generate, keep attached solid mesh. I need that, otherwise it deletes this. And we can go for everything. I don't do a final check because otherwise I had two different parts, but I can go into structured mesh now and I can say join meshes. I'll do that. This mesh, keep shift down, this one. And now I get a non-attribute mesh. But I don't really care about that because the two others here, I right click, give them as none. Okay. And then I have this, which is the entire part. This one. And I right click that one and say part. Close. And now I have a part now with a hex mesh area. And you can do that, yeah, more places, or you can combine everything. You can, yeah, go in and after in the structure you can extract elements from it if you want a hole in here and so on. So the possibilities are quite big after you with this structured mesh.